The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to a terrible end. NASA has discovered an asteroid named 19,990R2 is on the collision course with the Earth and will impact at Australia in the next hour. The asteroid has taken 54-mile wide diameter. There is nothing we can do to stop this. Once the asteroid hits, giant mega tsunamis will form, mega earthquakes will hit, Kessler syndrome will take place, volcano eruptions will take place after the impact. The Earth will turn into a huge fireball and the sun will be blocked for about 36 years. Please gather your friends, pets and family and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.